Right now, I'll be showing you pit scouting on WatchDawg 2023. When you open up the app, you'll see Start Managing Pit Scouting. For this, you want to click on Pit Scouting. When you get in, you'll enter the team number, and then you'll go down the list asking questions to the team. So you'll ask them their weight, the drive motor type, number of motors, drive type, wheel type, route length, and route width. Then we have more complex things like location of scoring. Do they have preferences to the left or right side of the scoring box? Anything along that lines. Notes on cube or cone scoring. If they can score cubes or cones, and their ability to do them at different levels, like if they can only score cubes at high and cone at low, things like that. Intake method. How do they intake cubes and cones? What intake do they use? Can they do it from player fed or on the ground? Ability to dock and engage. Can they get on the dock and engage platform? Docking and engaging features. Anything that can help them dock and engage. Notes on auto routine. How much can they score? How much can they pick up? Can they dock and engage? Can they dock? Notes on the robot in general is anything interesting about the robot in general, something unique. And then once you've done that, you'll click save. It will have a QR code here that you could scan immediately. It will also save it in your photos of the tablet. Once you've done that, you'll click new team, and that is the pit scouting for WatchDawg 2023.